This is how I cook my tom beef tamale. Okay, I just put in the pan and boil it. I thawed it out last night. Let's put it in the refrigerator and let it sit so it wouldn't take so long because they come frozen. So I'm going to cut the strings off, take the paper off, and show you how I'm going to eat this. Okay, this is how I eat my tamales in chili. Let me cut it. Nice and soft, it's done. Nice and meaty, and it's very good. That layer of cornmeal and the meat on the inside is all beef. It says 100% beef, and it goes very well with chili. So, hope you enjoyed this little short video. Bye.